we can see what you can do with that enhancement.
Are you on video?
Yes.
20th?
Going to do the star.
March 20th, 2012. There's 2 planets.
Okay. And the top one is Venus?
Venus, and I forgot what the other one is. Look back in the farm building.
Yeah.
I'll go through it. So we're just hanging out in the bluegrass.
Mm-hmm.
Michael's got the video.
Mm-hmm.
It won't be still long enough for me to get a picture. So.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Kind of blurry.
Yeah. I've taken these pictures that you're doing now already. I have gone crazy doing photos.
Yeah, I got a good color.
Imagine I've done 20,000 photos in the last month.
Right here in this spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
I like it too.
Can't seem to keep the camera still enough to get it. Dark. I'll have to turn the flash on and see how that does.
Oh, you got it. Good.
Maybe.
Lit it up for the video.
That's good.
Yeah, it's a nice effect. I'm going to end it right here. We'll leave the porch light on for you. In this case, the post light.